If your Nissan Kicks is misfiring, running rough, or losing power, your ignition coils could be the reason. I will show you how to replace them the right way. Once you open the hood, as you are seeing in the video, the first thing that you will notice is the ignition coils. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Let's go ahead and remove the first one. This bolt uses a 10mm socket, but before we remove it, let's go ahead and disconnect the ignition coil. This one right here that I'm marking in yellow is the tab that you have to press, and then you will be able to pull the connector from the ignition coil, so that way it will be free and you will be able to remove it. And as simple as that, we got the defective ignition coil out. Now we are gonna go ahead and install the new one, and it's always a good idea to inspect it. Even though it's new, you never know. You can apply a small amount of dielectric grease inside the coil boot. This will prevent moisture and give you a better seal, but it's important to know why you are using it. Dielectric grease equals electrical insulator. It is not for improving conductivity. Now make sure this is tight. That's good. Reconnect the plug. And the process is the same for all of them.